Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 High Retros, and these are known as the Brotherhoods. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 High Retros. These are known as the Brotherhoods. We'll talk about the overview, a little bit of the storyline behind these, and then we'll jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really bright pop of color, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So these are centered around a mixture of different colors. We've got the University Gold, this light Bordeaux they're calling it, but to me it is more of a kind of purple, light purple color scheme, and also some white color schemes as well. This silhouette was inspired by and is also paying homage to Michael Jordan's fraternity back in the days when he attended the University of North Carolina. That fraternity came about and was founded in 1911, and it was known as the Brotherhood. So that's where this cool name came from and the inspiration behind the color scheme of this sneaker. So let's jump right into it. Let's talk about the front of the toe box, and it is a nice tumbled leather. I will have to say this sneaker has really high quality materials. Again, I always say this with Jordan 1 High Retros, typically you don't know what you're going to get as far as the material goes, and this is definitely top notch as far as that University Gold color scheme. Tumbled leather is very, very top notch on the toe box region. On the front, we do have that light purple colorway. As we work our way up the upper, we do have these light purple laces on top of a white nylon tongue, and then we have hits of that University Gold with the Nike swoosh mark in Air in that light purple colorway. If you're not feeling the purple though, we do get some other options for laces. So we have the University Gold or white, so it's up to you, but I do love having the option to swap out my laces if I'm not happy with the ones they were currently laced up with. So let's take a look at those details, and then we'll move right along to the side panels. Side panels, we have underlays of that crisp white leather, overlays of that light purple. As we work our way back, you'll see we've got lots of that tumbled University Gold on the back, as well as the wing motif, which is in that light purple colorway. It pops quite nicely off the University Gold, and again, more underlays of that white leather as well as that purple swoosh mark. The interior for the insole has University Gold and purple for the Nike swoosh and Air logo, and then we have purple for the inner lining of the collar. The shoe is then completed with a white midsole and that University Gold for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details and then move on to size and fit. Moving on to size and fit, I typically am a true size 7.5, so I would recommend sticking true size on this one if you have higher to narrow feet like myself. And I also like to just have a little bit of space in the front of my toe box region. So if you are someone with flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate the size that works better for you. Other than that, stick true to size if you do have a similar foot to mine. All right, now let's talk about styling. Had a lot of fun styling these. I actually wore these in Florida, so just a really fun spring, summertime color scheme. I really wanted to mix and match and play with the colorway that I saw in this. So for the first look, I did wear an abstract silk top that has some nice purple and yellow tones that I feel like complemented this shoe quite nicely. For the bottoms, I wore a purple skirt, which I think also complemented this same purple as well.
Now the summer came, we can go everywhere, so let's take it to the beach. Girl, it's just you and me. Now the summer came, so we can go everywhere. Let's take it to the beach. Girl, it's just you and me. Now when the summer's here, maybe we can disappear. Maybe we can go away, Baby, there's no need to stay. Now when the summer's here.
For the next look, I dressed it down a little bit and decided to go all purple. And I feel like this Nike sweatsuit actually matched this purple to a T, so I had to go with that for my second look. For the last and final look, again, I dressed it up. This time I wore a dress that complemented the gold hues I feel like in this. So it had some golds and some purples as well as black and white. So all together, I feel like it was just a really nice dressed up look.
So we can go everywhere. Let's take it to the beach. Girl, it's just you and me. Now when the summer's here, maybe we can disappear. Maybe we can go away. Baby, there's no need to stay. Now when the summer's here, we can just disappear. Baby, we can go away. Baby, there's no need to stay.
So you let me know down below, what was your favorite out of the three, or how would you style these?
Hey, yeah, oh, oh, hey, yeah, oh, oh, hey, yeah, oh, oh, and we're heading home and watch the sunrise. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, hey, yeah, oh, oh, hey, yeah, oh, oh, and we're heading home and watch the sunrise. Oh, no, 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 I watch the sunrise.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So depending on what size you are, these are actually going below retail for some sizes, and other sizes are going up to $270. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all in the next episode.
And watch the sunrise. Hey, hey, hey.